Got here just a little wildlife area with some rocks and try to follow this pigeon for Nikki. Nikki, this is for you. See if I can get this pigeon. Oh no, it's gone. Oh, there you are. You would have done that. You would have followed the pigeon and it would have just flown off. And Grandma would say, oh no, you can't do that. The pigeon's gonna go. I like this plant. Don't know what it's called, but they're like brooms. Very, very nice. More of the rock formation. The bus shelter. There's trouble the people in it. There's more of the rock pattern. It says something. Something about change. It says a little change and glimpse of life out of doors. Maybe what? Long one. Maybe useful in helping. Funny long saying there. Helping you to something. To know your own mind. Interesting. Anyway, here we go. Stop filming right here. Do more of this side. It's a really nice little walk. And this is you know what kind of material that is, like shimmering and glimmering. It looks like broken bottle. Blue and silver. Anyway, it's not a bad area at all. Very nice, cool for wildlife and for people. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming here again. That's the New Kent Road again. Carries on to become the Old Kent. Those are the local buses. I'm gonna stop filming. London, Old Kent Road area. Old Kent Road, New Kent Road, Elephant Castle area. Okay, Nikki, these little videos of London are for you as you settle down in Africa. Love you, kiddo. Bye. This is me, Grandma Remy. Am I upside down? Remember when you used to turn my computer upside down? When you first came, you were 13 months old and you were already a computer whiz and you used to do all kinds of crazy things to my computer. Good job I knew how to turn it back the right way around, eh? Alright, bye Nikki, love you.